Good day, ma'am. I'm RJ Carlas from Block 2G. And today, papakita ko po yung login registration system ko po. And first of all, open natin to. Right click, tapos open with live server. Double click ko lang to. And papakita na dito, ma'am. And try natin mag-login. And dito na po tayo sa dashboard, ma'am. And ito yung profile, home, about, about page, contact, sample output, and settings. And try natin mag-log out, ma'am. And as you can see, functional pa rin. Try natin mag-login ulit. And gumagana talaga. And pinunin natin yung logout button and try natin i-cancel. If mag-stay ba siya or magbaback. And as you can see, hindi siya nag-back, so functional talaga. Logout natin. And here's my code, ma'am. Ito. About. And contact. Dashboard. Home. Yan. And login. Yan lang po, ma'am. Thank you.